I have requested him that this thing should not happen in the future.
Shillong Literary Festival kabasan lapli Nanpolok mentakasngi ringkat gejing adon langkin riu pongut kinong thokot nong thok poetry kinong snaplim bad ki kraw perkat unong job yak international booker ubatho yak ki artli ki kot ka bahanu mustaf bat ka ikigai u Francis Marias ulapen bana ya ka jing Plie ya ka tamasa da ka jing ai ka jing ro ya ka jing internet ka Shillong kani ka program ka kentup ye ki jing tai ba kong san halor ka ktien Khasi ban garo da ka ba kren ru halor ki nong thokot na ka than shatei lamingi ba kentup ya u jamlin tenzing norge badru halor ka kot scaling mount UPSC kinong ak phlim ba kentup ya u Rajat Kapoor bat Vinay Pathak bat unong snaplim u Dominic Sangma kilaya don lang hagani ka tamasa balai sngi lenter.
First novel for children, and when I came back from India, I already felt a writer. So I am very happy to be in Shillong, to be in this festival for the first time. We will have a nice conversation about the secrets of Ikigai, the purpose in life, with a professor about Meghalaya folklore. I wrote a book together with Hector Garcia that in the rest of the world is called Namaste, because it's the most international Indian word, and we are going to discuss also about that.
Ki Dr. Jong ka Nazareth Hospital